Hey guys, it's Steve on the Guru Brew. Have you ever wanted to remotely control a computer from across the room or across the country? Today I'm going to show you a piece of software that will allow you to do just that. It's called TeamViewer, and you can actually control a computer from using another computer just as if you were sitting there using your current mouse and keyboard. So hang out with me. I'll show you how to install this software and use it. Coming up next on the Guru Brew. Okay, well, we're back and we're ready to install our software. Now, this software must be installed on the computer that you will be managing, as well as the computer that you'll be using to control. So you'll have to install this software on both machines. Okay, so I'm at my computer here, ready to show you how to get this software. If you go to TeamViewer.com, and I'll put a link in the description, you'll find the download link. And they have a couple different versions. They have a free version that doesn't include support, that is for private use only. So if you're doing this to just use it for around the home, it's fine. If you're going to be using this in a business environment, you'll have to buy the software. But there are some benefits to buying the software. Okay, so we've gone to TeamViewer.com and we're going to go ahead and download here, right here. And we're going to go ahead and run it. Now, while this is running and installing, I would like to mention that this does work on most Windows, Linux, and Mac platforms. And the Windows platforms work on 2000, XP, Windows 7, and 8. So it's a whole variety. I believe also Vista. So we're going to go ahead and do a full install, and we're going to use this for personal use here. And accept and finish. Yes. Once you get familiar with this software, there are links that you can download just the modules that you need. There's actually a module to use on the computer that you'll be browsing from and then browsing to, if you will. But for now, just go ahead and download the entire package would be best for now. So you can see it's giving you some different instructions here on how to use it. We're just going to go ahead and close that for now. And I'm going to go ahead and close this internet so you can see the remote control. So you can see that there is a ID number and a password. And this ID that you're looking at right now is the ID of this machine. So I would go ahead and install this on another machine, just like I did now. You just seen me do. And I would put this number in this partner ID, and that would allow me to control it. So let me go ahead and install this on another machine, and then I'll show you how I would control that machine from here. So hang on and I'll go ahead and do that. Okay, I'm back and I've loaded the machine that we're going to be accessing across the room, as well as finish this one. I wanted to show you something on this ID and password. You can use these numbers. I got a new ID number for over across the room that I could just put in here, such as this number. But every time the computer is shut down, this number will change. So a better way to handle that is to personalize the password, if you will. And you can just click this button here and go to the next button. And you can assign it a password and a name. And then that will remain the name of the machine from then on, as well as the password. And you don't have to worry about it changing on you. Okay, so I've gone ahead and set up the CAD machine that we're going to be accessing with this same. I did the same exact install, and I did the personalized password. I was assigned a number for the machine, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in this box here, 760-881-036, and I'll leave it on remote control here and connect. And it comes up with a box that says password. Now I assigned it a password. Let me go and put that in here. And bam, we're in. This window right here is actually the CAD computer that's across the room from me now. And it's in a smaller window. I can change all that, and I can change the look of this if I want to. But this is the actual computer, and you can see I can hit the start button and access all my programs. I can look at different things. This window is actually the software running, the TeamViewer software, and it's popped out. I can press this arrow and it will collapse it to the side there so I don't have to look at it. Up here is a action bar that allows you to change different features, such as under view. I can click that, and if you notice it says remove wallpaper is checked. That is so the machine goes faster. I can unclick that though, and that is the actual wallpaper that's on my CAD machine. And this is exactly the placement of all these icons. So I really am controlling that computer over there. And if you're over there looking at the screen on the other computer, you can actually see my mouse moves and all the applications that are opening. If I do it over here, it's kind of eerie. It's moving on its own, if you will. There's quite a few functions to this, and I'm not going to cover all of them in this video, but I will show you a few. If you go under the View tab, you can change the quality for speed or quality. The scaling, you can scale it so it's a different size. If I wanted to fill up this screen, I could. I could come in and change the resolution here. I showed you the remove wallpaper, which also helps to speed up the computer. Under actions, you can see I can switch sides with my partner, or I can disable the locking of the computers. Under audio video here, I can chat with the person. If there was an actual person over there that I was trying to help, I could actually get a little chat box with them. Under file transfer, you can move files back and forth between these machines. And under extras, you can actually take screenshots and do other remote things that we won't get into right now. I did want to mention though, let me go ahead and turn my wallpaper back on, that the CAD machine that's across the room here actually has multiple monitors. We use one side for drawing the picture and the other side for the file work. And if you look at, they've thought of that too. Here's a button here that's active if you do have more than one monitor. And I can click it and I can actually see the second monitor just by clicking that button, and I can click it again to go back to my main screen. The start button works just as it would if I was sitting at that machine over there. This Photoshop I can launch, and this is actually opening up over there, and I can do my work and save on that machine just as if I was sitting there. I can move files back and forth. I can browse. I can go to start. I can look in my pictures. This is all coming from the other machine. So it's a really neat piece of software. It has a lot of different features that you can explore on your own, but these are the basics to get it going. And then when you're done with the session, you can just click this X and it will take you back out. So it's a very useful piece of software, and I hope that you get a chance to use it. Okay, so that's it for this little mini usage and installation guide of using TeamViewer. There's a lot of different options that you can go through, and I just recommend that you explore those on your own. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comments. You know, this software is really great if you have a computer in another room and you just want to access it from a remote location. It works very well. So thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Hey guys, this is Steve. Thanks for watching. Hey, don't forget to subscribe if you like this video, and be sure to rate and comment. See ya.